At Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Come test drive 2021 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, driver's side remote mirror, power sunroof, rear window wiper, interval wipers, backup camera, leather upholstery, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.